This 2024 Alliance RV Delta 251BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Ringgold, Virginia, 24586 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Danville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Alliance RV is 29 feet 3 inches in length and features a benchmark interior, sleeps aid, LP detector, auxiliary battery, TV antenna, air conditioning, microwave, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Alliance RV Delta 251BH is 6,159 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.